Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to delete your Clash Royale account. First, understand that deleting your account is a completely permanent decision, resulting in the irretrievable loss of all game progress, items, and any in-app purchases you have made. This process cannot be undone, so please consider all implications thoroughly. Taking a temporary break from the game might be a less drastic alternative worth exploring before you finalize this choice. Supercell, the developer, directly manages all account deletion requests submitted by players. Once Supercell confirms your request and begins the process, this action is generally irreversible, meaning your account cannot be recovered at any future point. This thorough procedure ensures that your personal data, including all progress and purchase history associated with the game, is completely and permanently removed from their systems, aligning with strict data privacy regulations. To begin the deletion process, you will need to open your Clash Royale application. From the main screen, simply tap on the gear icon, which represents the game's settings menu. Inside Settings, locate and select the Help and Support option. Finally, choose Contact Us or a similar prompt to open a direct chat with a Supercell support agent and initiate your request. When you connect with a Supercell support agent, clearly and politely state your unequivocal intention to delete your Clash Royale account permanently. The support team will then ask for specific information to verify your account ownership, such as your player tag or purchase receipts. Be prepared for them to ask additional clarifying questions to confirm your decision, ensuring this is truly what you want to do.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.